Welcome everyone, this is Dr. Thor, and I want to show you our standard charging box. Now we've used this design for many years. It's very effective. It creates a lot of clearing and empowering energies, and this is the box, the charging box that comes with all of our energy cells. So if you buy a kit, and you need to get a kit at least once, you will actually get this box with it. But we sell this on its own for a really good price. These are beautiful black lacquered wood. You open them up and you place in here, and you should put things in there like watches and jewelry. To clear them in the nighttime is a great tool that this is used for. You also put your amulets in there that you get depending on which energy cell you have. And of course, like anything, if you want to get our energy plates, these, you could make this kind of into a actual radionic broadcaster as well by putting, but it doesn't come with that plate, so don't confuse that. But these are beautiful boxes. They're well made and should last for a real long time. And this is what your actual energy cells come in. You're going to get a wristband like this. You're going to put in your actual blink, because you don't wear them 24 hours a day. When you sleep at night, you should put those in there. And of course, your laser goes in here as well. You have to take your laser and unscrew it, put it in the box and everything. So this is how an actual cell set looks like. So it comes with those three items. They all fit in here nicely, and it's a great place to keep them so you know where you put everything. And in the nighttime, you don't wear your cells when you sleep most of the time. So when you're sleeping, you should take a break from the energy. Too much energy isn't good. So do keep that in mind. But you can buy the box alone and use it as a clearing box. As I've mentioned, you put rings in there, you put your watch in there, your wallet, anything you want to clear out. Now, jewelry holds a lot of negative energy. So your rings, your if you wear any kind of bracelets, you should put them in here at least once a week and clear that negativity out. I'm always shocked the amount of negativity that is in rings and watches and other things. So you're feeding yourself with negativity all the time unless you clear them out, and it's recommended to clear them out at least once a week or even nightly to put your stuff in it. Now, you need to use this box if you have cells for that, but these are fairly inexpensive, so you can always get an extra one. And as I've mentioned, you can add many things to it. So I hope you enjoyed that. You can actually see how this is used, which is always fun to see things visually presented to you so you know how to use things properly. Until next time.